Hello, and welcome to OmniX University. Today, we will be assembling a number 10 mandrel. Begin by inserting the end link into your first ball. Next, put the snap ring over the end link. Use your snap ring pliers to spread apart the snap ring. You can press your thumb onto the opposite side of the snap ring to hold it in place. Insert a spring, followed by a ball, into the hole on top of the end link. Now, you will take a split link and snap it together onto the end link. Add your next ball over the top of the first split link and press down to secure it. Repeat the same steps as before with the snap ring, spring, and ball. Taking your next split link, observe which direction the split on your first link is going, and put the second split link on with its split going in the opposite direction. Putting these splits in opposite directions will add extra stability. Repeat steps as prior, adding the ball, snap ring, spring, and ball. If you're enjoying this video, visit omnix.com for more content. Next, you will add the shank link, using the same principle as adding the split links. Place the structure you have built thus far into the base of the mandrel. Insert a socket head cap screw into the bottom of the mandrel and tighten it down using a T-handle hex wrench. Use industrial lubricant on the balls and links of the mandrel for mobility. You have now successfully assembled a number 10 mandrel. Thank you for watching.